This video is brought to you by Red Fox Machinery, redfoxmachinery.com.au, and is of the METEX MP310 metal lathe.
G'day, I'm Gary from Red Fox Machinery, and today we're looking at the METEX MP310 metal lathe. 310 stands for the swing over the bed in millimeters, and the swing over the cross slide is 190. The width of the bed's 180, and your cross slide travel is 150. The distance between centers is a massive 800 mil. Your spindle that we have underneath here is a D1 to 4 Camlock spindle with a 3-jaw 160 mil chuck with reversible jaws as well. Your spindle bore is an MT5 size, and the bore size is 36 mil. You've got a massive 1500 watt 240 volt motor, which is single phase, 10 amp, and variable speed from 50 to 2,500 RPM. We'll take you through and show you everything about this lathe and how to operate it. Things like your 4-way tool post with a safety cover that can be moved out the way. Tool height is suitable for 16 mil with a maximum of 17 mil. The top slide travel is 65 mil as well. You can see we've got the 2-axis digital readout, the OPTIMUM DRO 5, which will go all the way down to 0.01 of a mil. And we'll take you up the other end and show you exactly what's going on down there as well. Now, coming up this end of the lathe with all of the action, you can see that we've got a micro switch on your chuck cover, micro switch also on your change gear cover or belt cover, and you can see that we have our forward and reverse button there. We have variable speed anywhere up to 2,500 RPM, which is very responsive. You can see our digital speed display there as well. Emergency stop button, which has the lockout. We also have the ability to have a lockout tag here for workplace or tape environments. You can see that we have our levers here for longitudinal and cross feed. Those ranges for the cross feed is 0.01 of a mil through to 0.1 of a mil per revolution, and the longitudinal feeds are 0.085 of a mil through to 0.83 of a mil per revolution. What you're probably more interested in is the thread cutting ability. Your imperial range of threads is 8 to 56 TPI. There's 21 different threads there in the imperial. It has a metric lead screw, which allows you then to cut your 18 different metric threads from 0.2 of a mil through to 3.5 mil. You'll also notice that we have our lead screw covers there so that your lead screws are nice and protected from any swarf that's coming off, so it's fully optional. Okay, so we're going to bring you in nice and tight here to show you a bit of how the machine operates. So you can see in behind the safety chuck cover, the chuck is spinning there as well. You'll notice that we have engaged the cross feed there, so that you've got power for that forward and reverse. If we drop that down to the bottom, we can then engage our cross feed. So if you're thread cutting, make sure you've got your angles right, and you'll be able to do that as well. You can notice on our 2-axis DRO, the DRO OPTIMUM 5, which has a full manual of all the operation and programs that you can have, down to 0.1 of a mil, as you can see there. Very accurate, very good for making very accurate work. Now, coming back down here, if we have a look, we've got our quick release and lock tailstock, which makes life nice and easy. Lockable gib there as well. With your tailstock, you're looking at Morse taper 3 with a tailstock twill diameter of 38 mil and a tailstock travel of 70 mil. You can see that that's exceptionally accurate. You'll also notice on the end of the bed here the markings because the bed has been induction hardened bedway, which is solid age prism made bed with a grey casting iron, matured for at least 6 months, inductively hardened, hardness rating of 42 to 52. What that means is it's all been precision ground and perfectly fitted by METEX as well. You've got your rear splash guard here, the deluxe foot stand below with the swarf/oil tray. You've got your metal toolbox down below, which you'll be able to see has our 2 MT3 dead centers to suit your tailstock, Morse taper 5 reducing sleeve for the headstock. You've got your chuck keys and Allen keys and assortment of spanners and screwdrivers and those kind of things. Your change gears are in there, and your high quality gates V-belts for the variable speed changes there as well. For more details, please head to redfoxmachinery.com.au or drop us an email, sales@redfoxmachinery.com.au. Give us a call, 0399 387011, or please feel free to drop into our Braeside showroom so you can see this machine in action. Thank you.